Real Weber shit. Penny X.
Good morning, everybody. Give me a second. As per usual, we always use the wrong stuff. It is Luke. What is going on, guys? Hope you guys can hear me. Can you guys write in the chat how you guys doing and tell me if you guys can see me and hear me? Very good. All right. Because I'm not using my headphones. However, I'm in a lounge, private lounge, so there's no music, or I decide the music. But it should be good. We should be good to go. Market is going to open in 3 minutes. I'm already on the Leap Challenge long pre-NFP, which is something you should never do on your funded accounts. It's just a free, something. Challenged by TradingView, which you all should join, because if you win about 60K. Why not? So let me just have a look at the chat. Good morning, guy, brother. Can we get some likes in? So this will, like, the likes, it doesn't get me paid or anything. It doesn't really get me paid, but it does actually make people start seeing our video more. So let the others also benefit from this, from our whatever we're doing in trading. So let's go ahead and share our screen. I don't know if I really want to trade my funded accounts right now. Maybe in the PM session on Discord, I will, maybe. But this is how it looks like right now. So I'm anticipating market open to manipulate a high, drop, reaccumulate, and continue going back up. So today is a Friday. Today is a New York session, AM session, which is actually trendy, single direction. So I think, or what I usually tell you guys, is that the PM session will probably continue the same move. All right. Whereas yesterday, when the market was single directed, and then on the day before, I was like, PM session is going to be a reversal. Everybody was like, no, we're going to be going to the moon. Next thing you know, it dumps the whole AM session move plus more. In fact, what did we do yesterday? No, that was the day before. Yesterday, we did actually. Okay, the market is going to open in a few seconds, so let me just get rid of this. How the hell do I get rid of this? So let me get out of this. Let me put it to 2 views. Let me move that to ES. Let's do M and Q. So the market's gonna open in 30 seconds. Which is a premium session. Hi, do you have anything of importance on our way? Let me see if I have time to check 50-minute chart. We got the 9:30 open from yesterday. All right. I think we're gonna smack through it. We're gonna take a small stab short until here. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. Gonna go ahead and open MES because I don't want to see the trade. So I think we tapped 9:30 open and then we smack down back into this first presentation from yesterday and then we smack a short. All right, there we go. This 9:30 was today. I think it was somewhere around here, wasn't it? I think we take this high out and reaccumulate. If we reaccumulate down here first, we're probably gonna run. So I think we touched. I think it was somewhere around here. Once we hit it, I think we can take a nice stab short level. All right, drop into the 1 minute. First presentation from yesterday. I think it was around here. So if we invest any FVG right there, we can actually, even here's a great place to take a short. Shall we give it a short, a try, guys? Right here, risking $50. Let's give it oh no, hold on, I need to change my account. We missed that kind of. Right, I wanted to touch somewhere around here before I look for any shorts, okay? But here's not really a bad idea to take a short. So if we do stab a short here, wait for that high to take out. I think it was somewhere around 813. There we go, hit it. All right. Now that's a really shit fill, by the way. But let's take this fill and see if we do get a reaction. We're gonna only be risking about $60, okay? Hopefully it doesn't really quickly stab us out of it. Just making it $68. Because if it's gonna reverse back into this area here, it should technically just run to it like with a big wick and then continue going back up. This is what I'm betting on right now. Where's our line? Do you guys remember where our line was? Now, technically, we do need like a 15-second inversion or something. This is the 15-second FP. Oh, we got this FP as well, so I think we might have to do this. If we invest this, I might add 2 more. Okay, let's add 2 more here. Not really a good idea, but we look to make our $200 and we just call it a day. Technically, it can come back all the way to whatever that level was. I think it was around about here. There we go. We're about to hit 200 point, 200 ticks. Come on, hit it. Don't. If it goes back up, it's gonna take out that high. So we need it to exponentially go down and take us out. We can de-risk a little bit, or maybe even move stop loss to break even. Because if it goes back up, it's not gonna chill. It's gonna take out this high. That was a beautiful run of $180. I think we only need 7 more bucks. Sometimes it happens. We're playing with heavy risk. I mean, what risk is? I mean, not size, but we're playing against the odds of the direction of the market. But if we can hit 200, call it a day, it would be wonderful. Damn, I'm not on my actual account. I'm on paper. If it goes back to break even, it's probably gonna run the high, guys. Okay, keep that in mind. Okay, if you're content with $100, take it. All right, or go to break even. I might just risk $35 for this trade. It has to run very fast down. It cannot go back and forth because it already swept these lows. This can be content. I don't want to put my stop loss here. This is very not safe spot loss, but it's 15-second first presentation. But I don't want to be risking more than that, to be honest with you. I don't care where my stop loss is. Just don't want to risk more than $50. Because it's going to pump like this, and the next count is probably going to stop us out. Let's just keep it like this. Come on, there we fucking go. Let's go, guys. Let's fucking go. W is in the chat. And our TP was literally here. So it's 773. We got out at 7. What did we get out? We got out 775. So we only missed out 2 points. That's all we needed. This is our red line. Do you guys remember the red line? It just came and tapped it anyway. So if we held until there, we would have got it. We could have got 2 extra points. No problem, guys. We added to our position. So missing out on 2 points is grateful. There we go, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. So do you guys recall what happened? The market is very extended, so it's going to tap any kind of liquidity pool or any kind of PD area or any kind of level of significance to allow it to give it a reason to go down, manipulate some lows to get back up, right? Does that make sense? To get people back in a better place to go long. But before it just randomly drop down, you have to touch something. So if I do this, you guys will see that yesterday's 9:30 opening was right here. This is right here, right? So basically, if I put a line right there, that was basically our turtle soup short. If now I play it normally, there you go. If I play it normally, this is our line. All it did was smack through this level, and then it flushed all the way back to what we want it to go, right? Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. Drop likes in the like. Drop some likes, guys, and write in the chat W's if you made some money on that beautiful short. Easy, $200. We don't need more than that because we're shorting against the buyers. Drop W's in the chat, guys. Come on, W's in the chat, W's in the chat, W's in the chat, W's in the chat. And where's our music? Why don't we have any music? Keep going, mother. Style of music right now. So now the market came back pretty much where we wanted it to. Our red line, pretty much by a tick, tapped into the first position from yesterday, and now making it go back up. You can continue anything that you pump is not really a manipulation. We're targeting, this is our drawn liquidity right now. Previous monthly high, high, that's why they highlight like that. That's our next line of flow line, right? So what you can do is you can maybe stab some longs like 2 micros, this about $600 and try to catch $200. Possible. Why wouldn't we replay, by the way? Anathan, I'm about to beat your ass, bro. I'm up 6K right now. Oh, this shit. Damn. Let me put the video on that too. I just want to make a video on that. So guys, yeah, our target right now For ES, it's previous stage. I already have the high. YM, I don't know what YM is doing. I've never checked YM before. But pretty much it's going for this end dog, delay open, creep. All these are targets. I think we get all these targets today. Okay? Grab some longs, micros, hold them, no financial advice, and try to hold. Try to learn to hold. Okay? Try to learn to hold. Don't hold 10 minutes. Hold 2 micros. I don't care how much money you make. Try to hold. Because the draw of liquidity is very off, right? It's how draw liquidity plays. So that's about pretty much about give or take about 50 points. Make the benefit from it. You guys have any questions? I close it, I'll be top 1K with you. Oh, we got Beast Challenge today. Guys, we got Beast Challenge today. Let's fucking go. Take profit. Let's fucking go. How much do you have to make? 3K? 3K. Guys, you should get some fucking ETF account. Honestly, you guys get some ETF. So I might get a couple of times. Just see everybody. Alright guys, so you guys know already put tonight's trade earlier today. Already gave you guys, we already said it before it happened, why we entered the trade. We had first with that sort of high. We added on the 56-second first presentation. So we saw it, we just did the entire open. We added onto after we closed below the first presentation, and we got out at our predefined target, which is pretty much the 5-minute first presentation from yesterday. It's very important because there's no 5-minute yesterday, so it's still what's going on. Alright. So guys, I don't know. Do you guys have any questions you'd like me to move? Today is pretty simple. I think, like I said, going for previous high. I hope you guys are in the longs targeting just that. I'm satisfied. I might take my funded account in the PM section to set them up to cool off a little bit. We only need 200 for it. Yeah. Any questions? If not, I'll leave you guys with silence. Our head analyst on Discord, you can join if you have trouble. Join and trade with him. Okay? I'll be in there as well. Maybe I can grab some nice trade. I like you. Yes. Guys, all day football. Take care. See you guys.
Penny X.